Hi La Stellars! This is Estella and welcome again to La Estella's mini vlog. I'm here at AXA Lipas office because aside from being a scented candle business owner, I'm also an insurance agent of AXA Philippines. So as we will have our meeting, I'll be lighting a lavender scented candle and I'm planning to show you the reaction of my teammates. But before that, let me give you something you should remember regarding our 200 ml scented candle. Please take note that it might take 1 to 2 hours before our candle fill your space with scent. And now, here's the reaction of my teammates.
Tita, anong masasabi niyo po sa kandila?
Ay, bibili uli ako. Una-una, nakaka-relax, sarap ng amoy, sarap ibenta, lalo na yung gamit ng Pasko.
Naamoy niyo po?
Oo naman, nakaka-relaxing siya.
Sosyal.
Yeah, yung nakaka-relax yung amoy tsaka yung flame niya.
Yung
That's
flame.
This candle makes me gutom. This candle makes me gutom.
Ano ba nga, sisindihan mo kami ng kwarto? Parang restless there.
Wow!
Nakakatawa naman. Alam nga pag bata pa talaga magagastos.
So that's it. Thank you to my beloved titas of AXA and thank you so much guys for watching. Please don't forget to follow us on our social media accounts.